Welcome to my channel. My name is Priska, and if you enjoy cultivating your personal style, then I think you're going to love it here. I know that you and I have a lot to think about every day. From eating well to sleeping well, work projects, paying bills, the Roman Empire, which is why I firmly believe that style shouldn't be so complicated. In today's video, I want to show you how to simplify your getting dressed process every morning. I'll include some immediate changes that you can implement today and some long-term changes. By using these tips, you'll save precious minutes every day, which is hours over the course of a year. And you'll look more put together on a regular basis. It's a win-win. The first set of tips I have for you is about creating coordinating sets in your wardrobe. If you think about your outfits, especially your most stylish outfits, it's not just a top and bottom, it's a lot of different elements. In today's outfit, I have a headband, earrings, a necklace, my blouse, a belt, jeans, and boots. And that doesn't even include a coat I'm going to need to go out later and a handbag. So it's a lot of different elements, and if we can create coordinating sets for these different groupings, then it's going to help you to eliminate decision fatigue when you open up your closet in the morning. Let's get started with the first set. The first set to create that I think will save you the most amount of time is a coordinated accessory set. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use accessories and jewelry as separate categories. It's also kind of how retailers do it, so it makes it simple. For me, a coordinated accessory set includes shoes and a handbag as the base elements, and sometimes maybe a belt or a headband or some kind of hat wear. It's whatever accessories you wear consistently when you step out the door. What gets in the way of consistently good style that is simple is when you have a pair of shoes that you really like to wear, but you never quite have the right handbag for it. So you spend these moments every morning debating, do I wear the shoes with a mismatched handbag? Do I wear the shoes and take all my handbag stuff and stuff it into my pockets? How do I put this together? If you can create a go-to accessory set with your most worn pair of shoes, the ones that you reach for when you're kind of groggy in the morning and you're just wanting to find something that feels good and works for your entire day, that's going to create consistently stylish outfits. Here's an example of my most worn shoes and handbag combo that I've been wearing through fall and winter. As you can see, I switch up my outfits every day, obviously, but my coordinated accessory set is just my go-to grab-and-go situation that I don't have to spend extra time thinking about in the mornings. The next set that I think is going to deliver the most impact with the least amount of time is creating a go-to jewelry set. Do you wear silver or gold jewelry more often? I wear a mix of each, and of course I have a style channel, so I have a silver set and two different gold sets, one with a high neck necklace and one with a lower neck necklace. And I wear these sets pretty regularly. It really eliminates decision fatigue in the mornings because I'm not trying to match and rematch my earrings to my necklace to my rings. It's all there put together, and it delivers on that high quality element I want with every single one of my outfits. Not to be dramatic, because I would never, but this tip has saved me so many times. More recently, I was invited to a fancy dinner and I had about 20 minutes to get ready. Not because the invite arrived late, but I was having too much fun that day and just lost track of time. So I had 20 minutes to do my hair, my makeup, and create an outfit that had a little bit of pizzazz to it for this nice restaurant we were going to. And luckily I had this suit in my closet ready to wear, and it's always such a beautiful statement with low effort, which I love. Now, this is the cheat code for stylish outfits. So besides a suit, which is probably not in your everyday repertoire, can you create a matching tonal set? Like if you're wearing blue jeans on a regular basis, do you have a jacket that you can throw over a top and it just makes the outfit complete? So you can also just create sets that have the top and bottom matching already in tonality. And for me, one way that I save some extra thought and time is that I have workout sets, because I typically work out every other day. This is something that I'm wearing 3 to 4 times a week. So having a coordinating jacket with my workout pants, that is saving me a little bit of time almost every day. The last that I want you to think about is a little bit more abstract, and it's going to vary between all of us. I mean, I guess all these tips do, but this is outfit formulas for your everyday life, not what you're wearing when you're going out for a special event, not the pictures, but really what you're wearing on an everyday basis. For you, that might be jeans and a t-shirt. It might be slacks and a blouse. For me, it's a lot of times one and done dresses. I like my outfits so simple. It's just like one main element that I'm wearing. So once you think about your most common everyday outfit formula, think about what you need to create a set with that helps to pull the look together, and you can just reach for that sort of automatically in your closet without feeling like you're trying to reinvent the wheel every morning. Here's a bonus tip for how you can simplify your process of getting dressed this year. Subscribe to YouTubers who are showing you their real life everyday outfits that they're actually wearing. This is a highly underrated tip. It's going to take a little bit longer to implement, but trust me, if you do this over time, it is going to help you create more consistently stylish outfits with less time and effort. That is to create a favorite outfits album on your wardrobe. A favorite outfits album in your phone. So you've already worn some very stylish outfits and maybe have forgotten about them, but those consistently good looking outfits, it doesn't matter how many times you wear them, nobody is keeping track. I think it's like this weird phenomena of millennials especially, since Facebook and Instagram is what, 10, 15 years old, we kind of grew up in our early adulthood of posting photos where people, the World Wide Web over, saw our outfits. And I've said this before, I said this when I was less stylish.
I've already had my picture in that, so I can't wear it again.
But some very stylish, well-to-do folks have been repeating their best outfits, even on red carpets, and I think we can take a nod from that if something looks great on you, that's better than something you've never worn that looks meh, mid, okay, fine. So I want you to consider taking a picture of your outfit every day this year, or at least the days that you feel good about yourself. I'm not over here taking photos when I'm PMSing, okay? But if you can take at least 100 or so photos of your outfits this year, you can analyze those photos and decide what you feel your best in and what you look your best in. Then you can take those most worn outfits and update them regularly. Maybe switch out the jewelry, switch out the accessories, and that can serve as a reference point when you're getting dressed in the morning of what you know you like to wear. A personal color palette is transformative for your style. That is why I decided to wear this outfit today, including my maroon belt, my maroon silk top, and my maroon headband. Maroon is my neutral color. I have it in handbags and shoes. I think half of my sweaters are maroon. I have a jacket that's maroon. Because I've developed this color palette over the course of a couple of years, it allows me when I'm shopping to very confidently say yes or no to a piece, because I already know if it's going to work with my limited color palette in my wardrobe, and I'm not trying to introduce elements into my wardrobe that are off the wall but they're trendy and everyone's wearing it. It doesn't really matter to me. What matters is the color I like to wear because I feel my best in it. I think it's complementary to my skin color, and this might change seasonally. Like in the fall and winter, I tend to wear more maroon. In the spring and summer, I tend to wear more pink and those types of rosy tones. So it's kind of all in the same color family, and that helps me to have a limited but highly stylish color palette. So while maroon is my stylish neutral, what is yours? Let me know in the comments what you like to wear as a neutral, and that can help you to really focus on that and expand that more in your wardrobe. Let me know if you've experienced this. You're getting dressed in the mornings and you're flipping through all the pieces in your wardrobe and you come across a piece you want to wear but it's ripped, and then you flip to another piece you want to wear but it's stained, and then you flip to another piece you want to wear but it's wrinkled. If that's you, then it's time for a wardrobe maintenance day. Take a couple of hours on a weekend to clean, steam, and repair any clothes you have, because your most stylish outfits are probably hiding in your closet. When you prepare all your clothes to wear, it helps your getting dressed process become much more simple. And if you need more guidance on a wardrobe maintenance day, then click on the video I'm linking at the end of this one. One last thing that's going to create way more decision fatigue than you realize is when you have a lot of clutter in your closet, pieces you're not wearing anyway. So what happens is if you have, let's say, 50 pieces hanging up in your closet, and in the mornings you're flipping through all 50 pieces, only to realize that you're probably wearing the same 25 pieces over and over and over again, but you're creating 50 points of decision fatigue. That is just a little bit taxing every morning, and over time that adds up to hours or even days of your life wasted on pieces you weren't going to wear anyway. Next week's video is my winter closet declutter, and I don't think I've ever filmed that for this channel, so make sure you're subscribed if you want to see that entire process. Here's the video I recommend you watch about the wardrobe maintenance day, and I will see you next week with a brand new video. Until then, take care.